what's going on, guys? This is the Funded CEO, man. Hey, look, man, this right here, this is a celebration within itself, man. I've opened up the Lindio Central Charlotte non-depository bank, working with a lot of different collective business owners, but this one right here is real special. Didn't take much. This guy's a master of what he does, hospitality, when it comes to really being able to put something together. I'm talking about Lulabelle's / Rio and some other things he got going on. What's up, brother? How you doing, man?
Good.
All right. Yes, sir. And we just thought it was good, man. You know, showing the community, showing people what it looked like, collaboration. Of course, you know, I specialize in lines of credit, getting people funding. We talked. He needed some, he needed access to some funds. He already knew what to do with the funds. And it was a beautiful thing, man. And I just wanted to let him know, I appreciate it. Appreciate the business, man.
Appreciate you.
Let them know, hey, man, what you got going on and how's the experience, bro? How was the experience with me, rather, anyway?
Man, the experience with you was amazing. He definitely opened up doors for me, got me what I needed. No hassle behind it, and just created a pathway where I could be successful to keep doing what I'm doing, bro. And I really appreciate you for that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, likewise, man. And look for more. New locations coming soon.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, appreciate that. That's the way it looked like. Beautiful. It's beautiful over here. Peace.